Good day everyone. So today I'm going to walk you through the informations, structure, functions, and features of our web-based final project for the subject Advanced Database Systems that is called Integrated Hospital Management and Patient Portal. So first is the system architecture, the tech stack. So it is built using a modern full stack approach with HTML5, CSS3, and vanilla JavaScript ES6+. So the functions. So first is the HTML5, structured the medical data and user forms. CSS3 implemented Glassformism responsive layouts. JavaScript managed the asynchronous API fetching for the real-time data updates. Seamless user experience, so features an immersive video background on the landing page and fixed navigation bar across all pages. So the video background establishes immediate professional trust, while the fixed navigational bar ensures a smooth flow, allowing users to navigate without ever losing their place in the system. So clinical services and specialized staff, dedicated modules for emergency care, general surgery, and specialist profiles. So this displays 24/7 trauma capabilities and introduces high-level specialists like cardiologist and neurosurgeon to build patient confidence before they even book an appointment. Secure registration logic. So, a data-validated registration portal using register.js. It captures comprehensive patient data such as email, phone, role, and uses preventive logic to stop empty submissions. It includes a success redirect that smoothly moves users to the login page after a 1.5-second delay.
Authentication and gatekeeping is part of our system, so it is responsible for controlling user access to the system. So we used login.js to verify user credentials and create a login session. And nagamit sad mi og logout.js to properly end that session when the users log out. So, in our system, only users with valid login details can access the dashboard. So, after sila mag-log in and after a successful login, the system checks the user session to confirm authentication. And if a user who is not authenticated tries to access the dashboard directly, the gatekeeping logic automatically blocks access and redirects them to the login page. So, kanina process is important para ma-protect ang mga sensitive hospital data and then ma-prevent sad ang mga unauthorized access, and it ensures that only authorized personnel can use the system. Dynamic Patient Dashboard. It is a secured page of the hospital system that is only accessible for authorized user. So, ang main function ani is to display patient information in real time. So, by fetching data directly from the backend. So, instead of static text, the system uses load patient function to dynamically generate a table of registered patient. So, because the data comes from the backend, any updates such as registrations or changes in patient records are immediately reflected on the dashboard. So, this help hospital administrators monitor and manage patient information efficiently. So, these features improves accuracy, reduces manual work, and also support fast decision making, which is very important in healthcare environment.
System evolution development. An evolution from a local array prototype script.js to a scalable API integrated system patient project.cs. Function. This ensures the system is not just a design but a functional tool capable of handling real world database, interactions, and future expansions like electronic health records or EHR. Quality assurance in debugging. Integrated developer debugging logs across all JavaScript files. Function. By using console.log for every state change. Example, debug, login successful. The team can monitor system health in real time and fix technical issues before they affect the end use.
Enumeration with brief descriptions of features, functionalities of this project, and detailed presentation of each functions. Hospital Management System. Executive Summary. This system is a specialized digital platform designed to optimize the patient experience. By centralizing user data and highlighting medical expertise, the platform ensures that the journey from registration to recovery is efficient, secure, and transparent. Core features: secure authentication, a robust system for onboarding new patients while maintaining strict data privacy for existing users. Centralized patient dashboard, a primary workspace that allows users to access hospital milestones and administrative records simultaneously. Specialist Directory, a dedicated module showcasing the hospital's medical staff and their specific fields of expertise. Data Oversight, a back-end structure that tracks patient demographics for improved hospital management. Functional Deep Dive, user access and security or login and register. This function acts as the secure entry point for the entire application. Registration. New patients input essential details like full name, email, and phone. Create a persistent profile. Authentication. The login system validates credentials to ensure sensitive medical information remains private and accessible only to the rightful owner. The Operations Dashboard. The dashboard serves as the engine of the user interface, split into two primary operational views. Excellence Showcase. This section uses leader cards to profile top physicians. It goes beyond a simple list by detailing specific clinical breakthroughs such as Dr. James Carter's work in non-invasive cardiology. Patient Data Management, a real-time data table that displays usernames, ages, and genders. This function allows for quick administrative tracking of the patient population currently utilizing the system. Last, conclusion. By focusing on secure user management and clear data presentation, this project provides a streamlined digital infrastructure. It simplifies administrative complexity while ensuring that the patient remains the central focus of the hospital's digital presence.